Grandma, I want Snow White Mittens, please. But then you use it in the Snow White snow. Please, fine.
Where's the glove?
Here you go. Yay! And then don't play outside. Where did my glove go?
Baby, come. And then, the first one, a little mole came in and went in the glove. He's like, oh, this is really cozy.
I want this go in.
Okay, Jack,
God.
put in the
Yeah, I'm looking for it. No, I'm not sure.
Okay, it said, now the second thing came in.
Your grandma with you.
Me. A little Snow White rabbit came in. The mole's like, no, you can't come in. There's not enough room. Fine, you can come in.
Why did it come in now? I forget.
Then the mole moved to the other side because of the rabbit had kickers. Now the third one came. Right, you have the third one. A big
I'm putting it in.
badger came, but the mole and the rabbit said, no, you can't come in.
Right.
And then they said, okay, you can come in.
Right. Stop. Look, they're all the way in the plane. It's making the plane.
And then the fourth one came. It was a big king owl. But they all said, no, you can't come in. But they let him in because of his big, sharp talons. Other way, Riot. And then the fifth one came. Michael. It was a badger. He walked in. He's like, I found a mitten. But they said, no, you can't come in. But they let him in because of his big diggers. Then the sixth one came. They said, no, you can't come in. But they let him in because of his sharp teeth. And then the seventh one came. It was a big bear. They didn't let him in. But they let him in because it was a bear. Then the eighth one came, and it was a mouse who tickled and tickled the bear's nose. And then the glove fell.
I got my glove.
And then,
yep, I have my glove. This glove is too big.
All right, good job, guys. Go ahead and stand up and take a bow. Go ahead and take a bow. These are all my wonderful helpers today.